Most men over 40 do not ruin their style with one terrible outfit. They ruin it with small choices that seem harmless. Jeans that are just a little too long. Backpacks that look too student-like. Shoes that feel dated. Shirts that shine under bad lighting. Each one looks fine on its own, but together, they quietly make a grown man look less stylish. Mistake number 1, perfectly fine, but slightly too long jeans. This is one of the sneakiest style mistakes because nothing looks obviously wrong at first. The jeans fit at the waist, the color is decent, the denim is not ripped, faded, or childish. You look in the mirror and think, this is fine. And technically, it is fine. But stylish men over 40 are not aiming for fine. The problem is the length. When jeans are slightly too long, the fabric starts stacking over the shoe. It creates wrinkles around the ankle, it breaks the line of the leg. And even if the rest of the outfit is clean, the bottom half starts looking tired. This happens a lot with men who buy good jeans but never tailor them. They assume denim should be worn as purchased, but jeans still need the right length. The hem should lightly touch the shoe or create one clean break. It should not collapse into a pile of fabric. A pair like the Todd Snyder Slim Japanese selvage stretch jean works because it gives you that cleaner, grown-up denim look without feeling stiff or outdated. The A.G. Everett Slim Straight Leg jeans also fit this category well because slim straight denim is usually more flattering for men over 40 than skinny jeans or baggy relaxed jeans. Both are linked in the description. The goal is simple. Keep the jeans dark, clean, and properly hemmed. You do not need aggressive fades, biker details, or designer stitching. You need denim that makes your legs look longer, your shoes look sharper, and your outfit look intentional. Because when the jeans are almost right, that last inch of fabric is often what ruins them. Mistake number 2, the wrong kind of backpack. Backpacks are not automatically unstylish. The problem is the kind of backpack most men keep using long after it stops making sense. The student backpack, the puffy laptop bag, the hiking backpack worn with city clothes, the giant travel backpack with straps, buckles, mesh pockets, and enough zippers to survive a mountain expedition. Those bags may be useful, but they can destroy a good outfit fast. A man over 40 can wear a clean jacket, sharp trousers, and good shoes, but the moment he throws on a bulky school-style backpack, the whole look changes. Suddenly, the outfit feels less polished, less adult, less intentional. This matters because accessories carry age signals. A watch, belt, bag, and shoes tell people how carefully you finish an outfit. A bad backpack says you grab the first useful thing by the door. A better bag says you understand function and appearance can exist together. The fix is not complicated. Look for clean lines, darker colors, fewer pockets, better material, and a shape that sits close to the body. Black, navy, charcoal, dark brown, or olive usually works better than bright, sporty colors. Leather, coated canvas, or smooth, technical fabric looks more mature than shiny nylon with huge logos. And size matters. If you are not going on a 3-day trip, your backpack should not look like it is carrying emergency supplies. A stylish man over 40 does not need to abandon practicality. He just needs to stop letting practical items make him look like he wandered out of a college hallway. And once the bag is cleaned up, the next thing people notice is usually your shoes. Mistake number 3, square-toe dress shoes. Square-toe dress shoes are one of those items that instantly date an outfit. They had their moment. For some men, they became the default office shoe. They felt safe, formal, and easy. But today, they often make a man look like he stopped updating his wardrobe 15 years ago. The issue is shape. A square toe makes the foot look wide and blunt. It adds weight to the bottom of the outfit. Even if the suit is decent, even if the shirt is clean, that heavy square shape pulls everything backward. Stylish men over 40 know that shoes do not need to be flashy. They just need to have the right line. A clean almond toe or cap toe shape makes the outfit look sharper. It lengthens the foot without looking pointy. It feels classic without feeling old. That is why a shoe like the Allen Edmonds Park Avenue Oxford is such a reliable reference point. It is not loud, it is not trendy. It is just a proper cap-toe dress shoe with a shape that still works. The mistake is thinking dress shoes are only about being formal. They are also about proportion. A bad shoe can make trousers look worse. It can make the stance feel heavier. It can make a man look less current without him knowing why. Avoid square toes that look boxy, rubbery, or overly shiny. Avoid long, rectangular shoes that look like they belong under a cheap nightclub suit. And be careful with thick soles unless the design is clearly intentional. A good dress shoe should finish the outfit quietly. It should not announce itself. It should make the whole look feel cleaner, sharper, and more adult. Mistake number 4, oversized golf polos. A polo shirt should be one of the easiest wins for a man over 40. It is simple, it is masculine. It is more polished than a t-shirt, but less formal than a button-down. The problem is that many men choose the wrong kind of polo. The oversized golf polo is the main offender. You know the one. Shiny fabric, long body, loose sleeves, big logo, collar that collapses or curls after a few washes. It may feel comfortable, but it often makes the upper body look softer and wider than it really is. Stylish men over 40 do not avoid polos. They avoid polos that look like corporate event uniforms. The better version has structure. The shoulder seam should sit near the shoulder, not halfway down the arm. The sleeve should lightly hug the bicep instead of floating around it. The hem should not hang so low that it covers half the seat. And the fabric should look like clothing, not sports equipment. Cotton, knit cotton, pique, and fine gauge knit polos usually look more refined than shiny performance fabric. A clean collar matters too. The collar frames the face, so when it looks weak, the whole outfit loses strength. This is also where color discipline helps. Navy, white, cream, gray, dark green, brown, and black are easier to wear than bright red, electric blue, or neon golf colors. The quieter colors make the polo feel more expensive. A good polo should work with chinos, jeans, loafers, sneakers, or even under a casual blazer. It should feel like smart casual clothing, not like you were waiting for a tea time. And that same rule applies to summer dressing, where the next mistake gets even worse. Mistake number 5, cargo shorts with too many pockets. Cargo shorts are comfortable, that is why men defend them so fiercely. But comfort is not the issue is bulk. Once shorts have large side pockets, flaps, extra seams, and heavy fabric, they start changing the shape of the legs. They make the lower body look wider, they shorten the visual line, and they often turn a simple summer outfit into something that feels messy before you have even added shoes. For men over 40, this can be especially damaging because casual clothes already need more control. A younger man can sometimes get away with chaotic casual style. A grown man usually looks better when his casual pieces are cleaner. The better move is a simple mid-length short with a flat front, clean waistband, and no bulky side pockets. It can be cotton, linen, or even a refined swim short if the setting makes sense. The key is shape. The shorts should hit above the knee or around mid-thigh depending on your comfort level. They should not sag below the knee like old basketball shorts. A pair like the Orla Bar Brown Bulldog mid-length swim shorts works as a good reference because the silhouette is clean. It gives you vacation ease without cargo pocket clutter. The rest of the outfit should stay simple. A plain t-shirt, a polo, a linen shirt, or a lightweight knit will do more for you than a loud tropical shirt and overloaded shorts. If you need 10 pockets, you probably need a bag, not cargo shorts. Stylish men over 40 do not dress like they are carrying camping gear to brunch. They keep summer outfits light, sharp, and easy. Mistake number 6, graphic tees that still look teenage. Graphic tees are tricky because some men hear this and think the rule is too strict. It is not. A graphic tee can work in the right context, but many men over 40 are not wearing a carefully chosen vintage tee with great denim and clean shoes. They are wearing old slogan shirts, novelty prints, giant logos, faded band tees, or random graphics that make the outfit look less mature. The problem is not personality. The problem is mismatch. Your face, body, and presence may say, grown man. But the shirt says college dorm, bachelor party, gym giveaway, or old concert merch that has been through too many laundry cycles. Stylish men over 40 understand that casual does not have to mean childish. A plain cotton tee, a textured tee, a striped shirt, a knit polo, or a lightweight overshirt often gives you the same comfort with much better control. Fit matters here more than people think. A t-shirt should not cling to every part of the torso, but it should not hang like a rectangle either. The shoulder should sit correctly. The sleeve should have some shape. The length should hit around the middle of the fly, not halfway down the thigh. Fabric also matters. Thin, twisted cotton can make even a clean tee look sloppy. A slightly heavier cotton jersey usually sits better on the body and looks more intentional. The best casual outfits for men over 40 are often the simplest ones. Dark jeans, clean trousers, a plain tee, and good shoes. Nothing loud, nothing trying to be funny, nothing asking strangers to read your chest, and when the shirt gets quieter, the fit of the trousers becomes even more obvious. Mistake number 7, baggy chinos that collapse over the shoe. Chinos should be one of the most useful pieces in a man's wardrobe. They are cleaner than jeans, easier than dress trousers, and more flexible than most men realize. You can wear them with a polo, button-down, sweater, blazer, loafers, or sneakers. But too many men wear chinos in a way that makes them look worse than denim. The biggest problem is uncontrolled fabric. Baggy chinos that collapse over the shoe make the outfit look tired. The fabric bunches around the ankle, the leg shape disappears, the shoe gets swallowed, and the whole look starts to feel like old office casual. This does not mean every man needs slim chinos. That would be another mistake. Men over 40 often look better in straight, classic, or relaxed tapered fits than in anything skinny. The issue is not width by itself. The issue is the combination of width, length, and limp fabric. A chino can be comfortable and still sharp. The waistband should sit properly. The thigh should have room. The legs should fall cleanly. And the hem should stop before it starts puddling over the shoe. If the chinos are too long, tailor them. That one adjustment can change the whole outfit. Suddenly, the shoes show properly. The leg looks cleaner. The outfit feels deliberate instead of accidental. Color also matters. Stone, khaki, olive, navy, and tobacco are usually safer than washed-out beige that looks like old uniform pants. A little structure in the fabric helps too. Stylish men over 40 do not rely on tight clothes to look sharp. They rely on clean lines. Chinos can absolutely work, but only when the fabric knows where to stop. Mistake number 8. Loud sneakers with comfort shoe energy. There is nothing wrong with wanting comfortable shoes. The mistake is choosing comfort shoes that look like comfort shoes. Big soles, strange panels, shiny mesh, neon accents, heavy orthopedic shapes. Sneakers that look like they were designed by a medical device company and a race car sponsor at the same time. They may feel good, but they can make an otherwise clean outfit look clumsy. For men over 40, sneakers need to be handled carefully. You are not trying to look like a teenager, and you are not trying to look like you gave up. The sweet spot is clean, simple, and low profile. White, off-white, beige, gray, navy, or muted green. Minimal logos, smooth shape, no aggressive running tech drama unless you are actually dressing for a workout. A shoe like the Veja Campo sneaker is a good example of the safer direction. Clean shape, simple color options, easy to wear with jeans, chinos, and casual trousers. That pair is linked in the description. The point is not that every sneaker has to be expensive or plain. The point is that the sneaker should not fight the outfit. If the shoes are the loudest thing you are wearing, everything else has to work harder. This is especially true with jeans and chinos. A clean sneaker makes the pants look sharper. A bulky sneaker makes the hem look messier. It changes your proportions from the ground up. Stylish men over 40 can absolutely wear sneakers. They just choose ones that look intentional, not desperate for comfort. And once the shoes are clean, the next thing that can ruin everything is the wrong shirt under bad lighting. Mistake number 9, shiny dress shirts. Shiny dress shirts almost never look as good as men think they do. They usually appear in evening outfits, party outfits, date night outfits, and going somewhere nice outfits. The intention is understandable. A man wants to look dressed up. He wants the shirt to feel special. So he reaches for black satin, glossy blue, shiny silver, deep purple, or some smooth synthetic fabric that catches light from across the room. But instead of looking expensive, it often looks cheap. Shine is unforgiving. It highlights wrinkles, it reflects bad lighting, it makes colors look harsher, and on camera, it can look even worse. A shiny shirt also tends to fight with jackets, belts, watches, and shoes because it demands attention without adding real elegance. Stylish men over 40 usually look better in matte texture. Oxford cloth, twill, poplin, Royal Oxford, fine cotton, linen, brushed cotton. These fabrics do not scream. They let the fit and the face do the work. A crisp white shirt or pale blue shirt will beat a shiny nightlife shirt almost every time. It looks cleaner under a blazer, it looks better with trousers, it ages better in photos, and it does not make the outfit look like it belongs to a questionable nightclub manager. This is where a shirt like the David Donahue trim fit twill non-iron dress shirt makes sense. The point is not flash. The point is clean structure, easy maintenance, and fabric that looks crisp instead of glossy. If you want evening style, use better texture, not more shine. Wear a dark knit, a sharp blazer, a clean white shirt, better shoes, a proper watch. The more mature the man, the less he needs reflective fabric to look dressed. That same restraint should continue all the way down to the belt. Mistake number 10, belts that try too hard. A belt is a small detail, but it can reveal a lot. Stylish men over 40 know the belt should finish the outfit. It should not become the main event. When the buckle is huge, the logo is loud, the leather is overly distressed, or the stitching is too contrast heavy, the belt starts pulling attention to the wrong place. This is especially common with men who want one accessory to make the outfit look expensive. So they buy a loud designer belt, a giant buckle, or a reversible belt with a glossy finish. The problem is that those choices often do the opposite. They make the outfit feel less refined. A good belt is quiet. Black leather with black shoes, brown leather with brown shoes, tan or suede when the outfit is more relaxed. Simple buckle, clean edge, no fake aging, no giant metal plate, no logo that enters the room before you do. This matters because over 40 style is about control. The best outfits usually have harmony. The shoes, belt, watch, and bag should feel like they belong to the same man. If one detail screams, the whole outfit loses balance. Also avoid belts that are too wide for dress trousers or too thin for casual pants. Proportion still matters. A heavy belt with sharp trousers looks clumsy. A tiny dress belt with rugged jeans looks weak. The easiest rule is this: if people notice the belt before they notice the outfit, the belt is probably doing too much. Stylish men over 40 rarely look good because of one loud piece. They look good because everything is edited. The jeans are the right length, the bag is clean, the shoes are current, the shirts are matte, the belt is simple, Nothing begs for attention. That is why the whole outfit works. Those are the pieces stylish men over 40 quietly remove from their wardrobe, not because they are trying to look perfect, but because small details matter. The wrong jeans, backpack, shoes, shirt, or belt can weaken the whole outfit. I've linked the recommended items in the description. If this helped, subscribe and watch the next video.